In a little over a decade, you've emerged as leader in the Indian brokerage space, displacing long-entrenched players. So how did you achieve this?
When we started pretty much from scratch, and our vision was always to build a very large platform for international quality. And out of key functions of brokerage, we first decided to focus on building a differentiated, in-depth and quality research, which we thought at that point in time was a big gap in the Indian markets. And we focused on building thematic research on the fundamental side and alternative research on the or quantitative research on the technical side, and which sort of helped us to gain significant mind share with the institutional investing community. And I think along with that, while we were building the research platform, we also invested a lot in the aggressive sales team. These kind of differentiated factor has helped us to sort of stay ahead of the competition. And I think while we were doing that, aggressive corporate access function as well as a sales trading function has also sort of supported in our journey.
So what would you say is the value proposition that Edelweiss offers its Indian and global institutional clients?
I think it is our understanding or our local knowledge and the international quality. The combination of these two I think has helped us sort of get significant respect within the investing community. Also, I think along with that, we've always seen clients see us as their extension sitting on the ground. We sort of do a lot of customized work. We monitor clients' portfolio very closely, thinking what client needs and staying ahead of the curve, I think has sort of helped us to sort of add value to the client portfolio.
So you clearly have a strong vision of what the broking business should be. How would you summarize it for us?
I think our whole objective, so far we have built a largest domestic brokerage house in the equities space, and our objective would be, as the Indian markets are undergoing a significant growth and a lot of other asset classes are sort of evolving, to build this intermediation business across other asset classes such as debt and commodities and currencies. So our whole vision is to emerge as a largest intermediation house across multiple asset classes. As far as the equity is concerned, I think we want to increase our market share from current around 5% to about 7% in next 2 to 3 years, and along with that build other asset classes.
Of course, technology has emerged as a key differentiator in the global broking business, and Edelweiss hasn't sat still. It's developed its own proprietary algorithms for trading. What advantage does that give you?
I think technology in trading is a very recent phenomena as far as the markets are concerned, but we foresaw this trend coming at least 3 to 4 years ago, and we started investing into that business into that effort that point in time, and we have our own in-house team which sort of works on that. And I think the clear advantage our algorithmic trading technologies frankly as compared to our competition is our ability to customize the algorithmic to the local market needs and environment, and that has helped us to sort of gain client respect, client mind share even in the international markets.
So finally, what's your take on the global markets and their effects on India, and how attractive do you think emerging markets are for global institutional investors?
I think global markets definitely will have some larger themes and trends going on, like high inflationary environment, muted growth environment and easy monetary policy environment over next, I think, 5 to 10 years. And I think we have to see the emerging market in light of that. Emerging market definitely will have a better growth than the developed world, and I think that will force investors to look at the emerging market in different light. Obviously, emerging markets come with a different risk attached and string attached, and I guess but on a risk adjusted basis, I think there is a lot of opportunity there. As far as India is concerned, I think we have a long term growth story in place, from demographic dividends, from the infrastructure investment story, from high quality entrepreneurship pool there. So we think a lot of investment global companies will come out of India over next 5 to 10 years. This time will provide international investors an opportunity to look at those companies and invest into India, and I guess global investors will no longer be able to look Indian markets in a lesser light or ignore Indian markets for a long time. Yeah.
Vikas Khameni, thank you very much.
Pleasure is mine.